Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy Chrex, and today I'm here to show you my awesome transitions pack. This pack is a compilation of packs I've used over the past 1 or 2 years, and some that are recent, and I'm compiling all together so that you have to climb all over the internet, search on YouTube to find free here, free there, go through all these ad fly links. I've compiled them all together for you guys to use. Basically, this pack is for new creators, advanced creators, people that are using Premiere for the first time or are using Premiere for like their 6th year in a row. This pack is filled with some preset LUTs, a boatload of transitions. I'll be giving help and tutorials in my Discord server if anyone needs help, or comment down below if you're having issues with the pack. This pack is filled with glitches, wiggles, shakes, zooms, slides, a mix of all those combinations, and it's actually a very amazing pack to use. One of the parts of the pack came from Dreamy Edits, and the other pack is a 60+ pack that's filled like I think 100 presets plus, and it's just an amazing pack to use, and I hope you guys do enjoy. Now, some of the transitions in this pack are this, and a couple others I'm just gonna throw all over this clip right now. Anyway, I hope you guys do enjoy this video. I'm just creating this video to help you guys and help starting creators and advanced creators with easy drag and drop presets that are gonna make your content have that little more kick to it. Anyway, like and subscribe, join my Discord server, and also follow me on Twitch because we will be streaming quite soon, hopefully within the next week or two. Anyway, thank you guys for coming to the channel, and peace.